Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through alpha testing. Okay, guys, these are the two popular testings which we hear every day. So whenever you go to Play Store, whenever you are installing an app, try scrolling to down, guys. So there will be a chance for alpha tester to become an alpha tester or to become a beta tester. So these are the two common words which we'll be seeing, right? So in this lecture and in the next lecture, we'll be going through them in detail, guys. I'll be giving you some examples also if possible. Okay. So alpha testing and beta testing. So even you can become an alpha tester or a beta tester for a small application. So remember one more thing, guys, don't search for small apps like any of your friend made app. For those there will not be anything, but for some company apps like for WhatsApp we are having two, you can become a beta tester in WhatsApp, right? In that way. Okay, so first let us go through alpha testing. So alpha testing. So during alpha testing, several users are called to the developer side and are exposed to the product. Okay, under the guidance of the software engineer, the user or the users uses the product. While he is doing so, the software engineer notes all the problems, bugs, or anything which are faced by the user. So it is conducted in a controlled environment. Okay, so now let us analyze the statements. So basically alpha tester. So alpha tester is not done by a common user. So it can be done by a common user, but he should go to the company or to the organization, and the whole testing process is done in front or in the environment of the company and in the environment of the developer who developed the project. So he will be seeing that, okay, so your user will be clicking on something and okay, it's good. So he will be seeing, the developer will be seeing the reactions, that what the user is thinking, and everything he'll be noting down. Okay, this user thinks it in this way. So this user didn't like the application. So these are the disadvantages he didn't like. So these are the things he liked. Like that, they will be making everything. He'll be noting down everything, guys. Because after testing, if he releases without any proper testing, the product may not go so good. But if they test it and if they if they resolve those things and if they make some kind of small tweaks and changes, the product may go worldwide in a popular way, right? So that is the reason why the alpha testing is also popular nowadays. Okay, so once it is done, he will be noting down all the problems, bugs and everything which the users faced, and then he will be starting resolving them. Okay, so remember, alpha testing is done in the environment of the company and in the environment of the developer. Remember that, because this is exactly opposite to beta testing, guys. Okay, so I hope everyone got some basic idea about alpha testing. So in the next lecture, we'll be going on through beta testing. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.